You feel it, don't you? That constant pull, the late night scrolls, the quiet guilt that creeps in when no one's watching. You tell yourself it's just a habit, but deep down, you know it's something else. Your brain's been hijacked. Every click, every fantasy, every flash of skin, it's training your mind to chase pleasure and forget peace. It's stealing your focus, your confidence, your energy for real life. But here's the truth nobody tells you. The same brain that got rewired and can be rebuilt. Start small. Cut off the poison, mute the noise, unfollow the traps, block the triggers. Let your mind breathe again. Then train your focus like a muscle. 5 minutes of silence. No screens, no distractions, just you, your breath, your control. And last, anchor your purpose. Write one thing you want more than that quick hit. Your freedom, your strength, your future. Read it when temptation whispers. Because the moment you choose discipline over desire, the fog begins to lift. And you remember, this mind was always yours.